How to make Google Drive links for photos. To make a drive link for photos, we're gonna want to make a folder first so they're all in one place. You're gonna wanna go into the Files tab, press plus, and then press Folder. Then we can either upload some photos from our phone or move some that are already in the drive. For this example, I'll be doing the former. Then you want to back out of the folder and tap on the triple dot beside the folder of the photos. Tapping on Share grants us access to the Access Management section. From here, we can either individually add people or make it available for everyone with the link. To do the latter, tap on the triple dots on the top right and tap on Manage Access. Under General Access, tap on Restricted. Tap Restricted again, and tap Anyone with the link. Now you can back out of the folder and share the link of photos with anyone. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel.